Going through a child custody battle can be one of the most stressful and emotional experiences a parent can face. But did you know that some common mistakes could actually hurt your chances of gaining custody, even if you have the child's best interests at heart? I'm Louis Landerholm with Pacific Cascade Legal. I help families in Oregon and Washington navigate complex custody and parenting time matters. Today, I want to talk about some critical things to avoid if you're involved in a custody battle and how to make sure your actions support rather than hurt your case. If you have questions about your custody situation or even personal injury cases, we're here to provide guidance. Number one, don't badmouth the other parent. One of the biggest mistakes parents make is speaking negatively about the other parent, especially in front of the children. Courts see this as parental alienation. For example, telling your child, "Mom doesn't care about you," or "Dad never helps you with homework," can make the child feel torn between parents. Judges want to know that both parents encourage a healthy, ongoing relationship with the child. Number two, don't use your children as pawns. Manipulating your child, making them feel guilty, or using them to communicate messages to the other parent is a huge red flag. Imagine asking your child to deliver a message like, "Mom said you can't see your friends this weekend." That puts the child in the middle of a conflict and is frowned upon by the court. Number three, don't violate court orders or move without approval. Making unilateral decisions like denying visitation or relocating the child without court approval can seriously harm your case. For example, if your job requires moving to another city, but you do so without informing the court, it could be seen as an attempt to limit the other parent's time with the child, even if that wasn't your intent. Number four, communicate respectfully and professionally. Avoid hostile emails, texts, or social media posts about your case. Courts favor parents who maintain calm, professional communication focused on the child's needs. For instance, sending angry text messages like, "You're ruining everything," or posting about the custody battle online can be used against you in court. Number five, prioritize safety and stability. The court examines your ability to provide a safe and stable environment. For example, if a parent allows frequent unsupervised visits with friends who have a history of substance abuse, the court could view that as unsafe. Even your everyday habits, like being consistent with bedtime, school, and health routines, are considered in determining custody. Number six, keep the focus on the child. For example, withholding visitation because you're angry at the other parent won't help your case. Judges want to see that you prioritize the child's well-being above all else. Custody battles are emotionally challenging, and even small missteps can impact your case. Staying composed, respectful, and child-focused is key. If you have questions about your custody case in Oregon or Washington, or want to understand your rights, give us a call at Pacific Cascade Legal. We can review your unique situation and help you take the right steps forward. Remember, it's not about winning a fight. It's about protecting your child's best interests.